make some newborn card for a girl or for a boy. You can choose, but I'm gonna do for a girl. Okay, let's get started. I have a template here, made some template just like this, and I have here 2 pieces of felt, 2 pieces different rows. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut them out in both sizes, cut them in 2 sizes. Okay, this is one. Gonna make another one off camera. I'll be back. I have here the both of them, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this both together, and we're gonna stick them up with a needle and thread. Okay, I made it up just like this. What we're gonna do is now I had paper, very thick paper in this color. I folded in 2 and cut it a little bit to make them square. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna take here a square from sides to make inside just like here, because I want to put this one just here and make some for newborn baby scrap there. Okay, let's do it. Gonna measure it first, how big one I'm gonna be, and I'll be back. Make square by 10 by 10 and a half. Cutting with the scissors now. Okay, let's see how it fits. Yeah, great, just like I wanted. Okay, let's see it. Look, how cute, very cute. Okay, the glue stick again. I'm gonna glue that up. Okay, the front from a card is done. Okay, what we're gonna do is just like this. I made it with thread, made some just like this. I used very thin iso thread. Also I have here playful. If you want to play with thicker, you can also use this one. Okay, that is done. Okay, we're gonna glue that up. I have here textile glue from Bison. Gonna glue them up. You can also use a glue heat gun, but I am using textile glue. Like this. How cute is that? Okay, now if it is stuck, I'm gonna do the rest of it. You can choose with paper, or you can choose with felt. I'm gonna do it with felt because the baby clothes is from felt. So I'm gonna use it. Made some flags, little bit flags with it, and we're cutting up just like strokes, and gonna cut them up just like jaw teeth. Just like this. I have many colors now. Okay. I have here glue for all of them. You can choose any color which you like. I did choose 4 colors: purple, yellow, orange, and green. Just like this. Fill them up there. Also stickers a little bit from thick size with both sides glue on it. I'm gonna cut them up a little bit shape because I need them later for my felt, for the welcome description on it. Okay, it's a little bit, it's not easy. Just glue on it. Make some 3D effects with it. Made some letters from felt. Hook them up. Now we have welcome. Okay, next you can describe baby girl, you can choose that, or welcome home baby, because Moore's playing with it. Okay, and we're gonna describe here downstairs from welcome home baby, then it's done. Look how cute. Okay, you can send it to your friends who delivered a new baby. If it is a girl, you can do this, or if it's a boy, you can change the color, make it just like this, and change the color also on the background. Okay, and this is the card. You can choose later for a boy, and you can do also for a boy this, and choose another backside color, blue or yellow. If you choose for another color, just yellow, you don't know if it's a boy or a girl. This it's neutral then. Okay, see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe downstairs, thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Bye.